Tropical update at 8 a.m. PST, October 14th. And here is Lorenzo. Here is potential tropical cyclones south of the Asia. So it could form in the next couple of days. Behind it, elsewhere, there's really nothing else. There's nothing left of Jerry. But first, we're going to show you Lorenzo, which is less organized in my opinion. I mean, it's very small, just tiny bursts of convection with LSC. I mean, that's not impressive. Let's be honest with ourselves. It's poorly organized over the tropical central Atlantic, producing a few clusters of deconvection with a low level circulation. Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, well, they went with 40 knots, and they're not expecting any strengthening. Actually, long term, they're expecting it to weaken and dissipate by 96 hours. It's moving northwestward at 13 knots. Turn to the north is expected later today as the storm moves into a weakness in the subtropical ridge. On Wednesday, the storm is likely to turn northeastward when it moves in the flow between approaching mid to upper level trough. Boy, do things change. What a shitty season. I mean, sheer dry environment. Fuck, everything sucks. I mean, let's look at the track. Yeah, it moves northward, then northeastward, then dissipates. I mean, who knows long term, but yeah, pretty much makes a loop. I mean, really, is less vapors long term and they're weaker, which screams that potential dissipation anyway. I mean, it would have to be a decent storm to actually survive, in my opinion. But if it does, it could be strengthened. Who knows? I agree with NC. I think it most likely dissipates and is no one's problem. But hey, not even the fishies. Um, as for the system, they don't even show it developing. They don't even highlight it. As of 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, they do highlight the Eastern Pacific system that could form off Mexico or Central America. Environmental conditions do pay a favor for that. A depression could form later this week or over the weekend. Has 10% in the next 2 days, 50% in the next 7. Just look at the neighbors. There's the ECMWF. I mean, it has absolutely taken a shit on that second system. I mean, it shows Jerry, yes, but that doesn't show until maybe probably 7, 8, 9 days off in the Caribbean. We're not even going to talk about that. As for the GEFS, yeah, it has also done the same thing, but if you keep trying to develop it, but like I said, I mean, you do got a system south of the Cape Verdes, but really nothing else anywhere else. And here's the Eastern Pacific. Probably from this we get our tropical cyclone forming in the next few days. Here is the GFS at 72 hours, 1,002 millibars. Here's the CMC. Also shows it. 96,000 millibars. 994 millibars on the GFS. 120 hours, 1,004. Yeah, I think there's a pretty decent chance this forms. calling for 144. Yeah, we can take a look at the Atlantic. Really, we got our system in the Caribbean at 204, 186. Mm, really sucks. I mean, that's the way it is. That's your truck update.